Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about confirm attribute in XML view, how to apply confirmation pop-up during any function, and what are the use case of it in Odoo 19 for our custom module. So today we are gonna study about a Rainbowman animation in Odoo. So Odoo provides basically an animation which helps the UI make more friendly to the users. For example, simply currently in our record, when I click on available, a confirmation is shown. But after the confirmation, it is directly change its state to available. Nothing it is shown like an animation pop-up or anything else that it is made available. So in order to make the UI more friendly to the users, we can add an animation known as Rainbowman. So in order to add that animation in our custom module for Odoo 19, let's go to the code. Here in the code, in our library.book model, let's go to button available, and here we simply need to add return statement, return curly bracket, here effect. What will be the effect of returning the value? Here you need to add three parameters. First one is fade out, which will basically means how much time the animation will stay. Currently I'll set it slow. Then the type of the animation, we want to set Rainbowman animation. So rainbow underscore man. And at last you want to add the message attribute. What will be shown when this return occurs? So let's say available state confirmed. There are mainly three parameters in the effect: fade out, type, and message. Fade out can be slow, fast as per your requirement. Type must be Rainbowman, and message you want to show the message to the user. Now I'll simply restart the server, refresh the page, make it lost. Now when I click on available and after the confirmation pop up, see a Rainbowman shown with the message. Now if you want to make this animation fast, you can simply add here fast. Restart the server, refresh the page, click on available, click OK. See, the animation will be working fast. So you can add this type of animation where you want to show the users that particular function has completed or any of the button has been clicked. What it will do, it will make the user, a non-technical user basically, know that the function worked. It also makes the UI more friendly to the users as well. So let me summarize today's lecture. In order to add the Rainbowman animation, all you need to do, go to the function. In the function, simply add the effect, in curly braces effect, in that three parameters: fade out, type, and message. Fade out can be slow, fast as per your requirement. Type must be rainbow underscore man, and message must be the message you want to show to the user after the function. Simply add it and restart the server. After restarting the server, when you click on that function, it will show the animation. I hope today's topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.